Archive anomaly detected. 3 aviation breakthroughs identified. Restoring timeline. Mary Jackson needed advanced engineering classes. They were held at a segregated school. She petitioned a judge for permission to attend. She became NASA's first black female engineer. She broke legal barriers to build rockets. Before computers were trusted, calculations were done by hand. Katherine Johnson calculated flight paths, including the path for the first American in orbit, and later, Apollo missions. Astronaut John Glenn requested that she verify the computer's calculations. If the numbers were wrong, the mission would fail. They weren't. During World War II, fighter planes had a dangerous flaw. When pilots dived, engines could stall. Fuel flow would break. Beatrice Shilling designed a simple solution. A small device that regulated fuel flow. Pilots called it Miss Shilling's orifice. It kept engines running and saved lives. 3 aviation breakthroughs restored. Aerodynamics, trajectory, engine stability. Flight changed the world, but not all contributors were remembered. Until now.